And now, after the longest gestation period of a show in cabaret history, Jeff Dean in Exploited Again.
The sound of your name comes to me any hour on the wings of the wind, like the scent of a flower. How can I explain its impossible power? The sound of your name. The sound of your name is a Valentine greeting. A bell when it rings, a heart when it's beating. I'm drowned in a spell. Things keep repeating. The sound of your name. Your name is a song I long to be writing. The music is strong, the words are inviting, a changeable melody, strangely exciting. I found in your name. The sound of your name leads to desire, flares like a flame, climbs ever higher and burns in my senses, turns them to fire. The sound of your name. Listen to the lyrical magic of these three names. Judy Garland, Liza Minnelli, Ethel Gum. You laugh, but without her, there would be no Judy, no Liza. At least as the mythological figures we know. They fascinate me. God knows I've tried to emulate them vocally. Oh hell, sometimes I just think I am Judy and Liza. But love is a game, it constantly changes. The players discover the risks and the dangers. We're starting as lovers, we may end as strangers. Then where do I turn? Your name is the ghost of a chance. You gave me a brief little dance, just enough to enslave me with only my grief. What else can save me if you don't return? At night, you are there in my dreams, an obsession. I whisper your name, a prayer, a confession. You've entered my soul, taken possession.